Okay, so ChatGPT recently changed something and opened up a lot of opportunities. Now if you ask it to write something really long, it'll still stop. But down here at the bottom, you have the option to continue generating. And when you click it, it just continues right where it left off. Before you could try to prompt it to continue, but it would often get messed up. This means that now we can write really long code and really long text, but it gets better. If we just right click the button and hit inspect, that will bring us here and we can right click that and go copy full XPath, then open up a new chat. And then we just say, write me JavaScript I can execute by pasting into my browser search bar that finds an element with the XPath and then paste what you just copied and clicks it when it's visible indefinitely. We let that run and it will type it up for us. Then you just click copy code, go back to the window we were just on, go up to the browser and paste that in. Then on some browsers, you'll have to manually type in the JavaScript because it won't let you paste that in. But then when we click enter, it will click that button. When it's running, it happens so fast that you don't even see this button pop up, but here it is from the start again. See that? Now it will just run until basically I tell it to stop or I close the window. Right now I'm having it write a book, kind of messed up, but I told it that it was the Antichrist and to write a new book of the Bible, and it's doing a good job. Also, it chose to name the Book of Singularity.